Fuse is a program that allows you to create a 3D character without any modeling experience. You simply choose a torso, arms, legs, and a head, and your character is automatically created. After you have the base of the character set up, you can go into Customize. We can change things like the upper arm, make the biceps smaller or bigger. We can make the overall arms longer or shorter. Now that I look at this character, I really don't like the arms that I chose. So I can simply go back to the Assemble mode and I'll choose a different set of arms. Then I can jump back into Customize and I can start playing around with other settings. As you can see, there's a lot of customized options, from the arms to the face to the head to legs to the teeth to the torso. And there's a lot of ways to manipulate this character into something very interesting. Once I have my character customized, I can click on the next tab, which is Clothing. And from here I can select tops, bottoms, shoes, hair, hats, eyewear, and beards. So let's see what we can come up with for this character. Maybe the jacket, and we'll do some jeans, maybe like some heavy boots, and click down in here to hair, and we can select kind of some fun hair. I don't think I need a hat for my character, but I think maybe we'll add some eyewear of some sort. How about some goggles? Go to the beards, we'll give him a little bit of facial hair. Don't think he needs gloves. Don't think he needs a mask. And then we'll give him a little mustache. I could also go in and adjust my textures and keep on tweaking this character, but for now I think we're pretty good. I'm going to click on Save to Maximo. Maximo is the company that this technology comes from. It's going to pop up and ask me to name the character. We'll just call him Tech Guy, and it'll export that up to Maximo. Take just a few seconds here to upload it. Once it uploads to Maximo, I'll set up my Maximo account. If I go into My Assets, and I'll see my character, the thumbnail is still processing, I can click on Rig Character, and the character will automatically rig for me. Once the character is rigged, it'll pop up a little animation here for me, and we can kind of preview it a little bit to see if the rig in fact is working. If it is, I'll just click Finish, and then I can go into View My Assets. When I'm ready to use this character, I can go to Queue Download. It will add that character into the download. I can export it as an FBX. I can make it Unity ready. I can make it Unreal ready. I can export it to a variety of other 3D formats to be able to use and animate in those 3D programs or in those game engines. Once it's processed, I can download that file. Another thing I can do from Mixamo is go to Animations. We can do Find Animations, and I can click on this test pack right here. The test pack will have preset animations and use my character that I've made in those preset animations, so I can see him move in a variety of different ways. As you can see, the character is not perfect. There are a few issues with the character. Some of those may go away when I download it. If I did want those 11 animations that are in the test pack, I could go to View Download. It would throw those into my Assets folder. If I go to my Assets folder and look at animations, I'll now have all these animations. There's a left turn, right turn, walking, jumping, etc. there. I can always queue those and add those to the download, and it'll process the frames for those particular animations. So Fuse is a really cool program that allows you to create a 3D character without any modeling, without any rigging knowledge. There are a lot of preset animations that you can use. It still requires some sort of level of knowledge of a 3D program because you have to be able to use those FBX or whatever file format that you create these animations in to be able to do a final render out. I can see a huge benefit of having Fuse as a new product in the Creative Cloud setup. It's a great idea to have these pre-built, easy to create 3D characters.